My career path is not typical for this industry. And the reason it is not typical is the same reason I can do something in this space that nobody else is positioned to do. And right now, law firms are spending more on legal technology than ever before and walking away from implementations with the same broken operation they started with. Here is what actually happens when a law firm buys software. The software company sells you the platform, and then they hire an outside implementation partner to handle everything after the sale. That partner's job is to transfer your data from one tool to the new one. That is it. They are not responsible for your workflow design, your team adoption, or whether your data was even clean enough to transfer correctly. And when the adoption fails and the team stops using the system, the software company points to the implementation partner, and the implementation partner points back. Nobody owns the outcome, and your firm is left with an expensive tool that nobody actually uses. That is not a coincidence. It is a business model, and it is exactly the gap I built SourcePro to close. I realized the only way to actually fix this was to be the person who understood both the operational side and the technical side. So I could sit between the law firm and the vendor and protect the firm's interests. That person did not exist. So I built the career that made me that person. I started in legal support at State Farm's personal injury external counsel office in Florida. I supervised staff, standardized intake, introduced case management system organization for team adoption, and built the SOPs that govern how cases moved. I was doing from inside the firm exactly what I now do for clients, before custom AI agents even existed to put on top of it. Then I moved to Progressive in Atlanta, first as a legal assistant to attorneys, and eventually as the person who trained attorneys and staff on the systems they were using every day. They named the sessions after Tila's Tech Tip Tuesdays. For years, I watched which firms got results from their systems and which ones got the same chaos in a new interface, and I knew exactly why. While still at Progressive, I attended Digital Crafts, a full-stack development bootcamp, where I learned TypeScript, CSS, HTML, Angular, and Node.js. I also completed my bachelor's degree in information technology from Liberty University, and that is when everything clicked. God showed me my purpose, legal tech. I became a software engineer building automated solutions for enterprise applications, learning how to build and test systems with C#, .NET Core, APIs, and software automation testing with Playwright. Not because I wanted to leave legal operations, but because I understood that the technical layer and the operational layer have to be designed together, and I needed to understand both to do that. That is what SourcePro Consultants is built on. We design the operational layer before you ever choose a tool or pay thousands for a system. We help you choose the right tool based on the architecture, not the other way around. We are the advocate between you and the vendor. We implement changes from one system to another. We train your team. We build dashboards that give your leadership real operational visibility. And we build the automation and AI on top of the workflow we architected with you for your firm. We are not a vendor. We are not a generic consultant. We are the operational architect the vendor model was never designed to include. That combination, years inside two of the largest insurance litigation environments, a full stack engineering background, and the automation engineering capability to build what I design, is not something a vendor can replicate or a generic consultant can fake. It is the specific background that makes it possible to design a law firm's operation correctly before any technology is touched. And when that happens, the technology actually works the way the vendor promised it would. If you run a law firm and you have felt the gap between what your technology was supposed to deliver and what it actually did, follow for more on how law firm systems actually work.